In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert code with Claude AI. First, make sure you can access Claude AI in your browser or preferred app. Then log into your account so your session is saved and you can work without interruptions. Keep in mind that this process is best for non-sensitive material, so avoid pasting private tokens, passwords, or anything confidential into any AI tool. Once you're in, open a new chat. Starting fresh gives Claude a clean slate and helps the model focus on the single task of code conversion, rather than mixing in previous topics or instructions. You'll see an input box at the bottom where you can write your prompt and attach your code. Next, paste the code you want converted into the message box. To help Claude deliver an accurate result, clearly state the original programming language right in your prompt. Also specify the target language you want. If there are particular frameworks, versions, or style preferences, like functional versus object-oriented, say so up front. You can also request explanations if you'd like Claude to walk through the changes or annotate the output. For example, you might write something like, convert the following Python function to JavaScript, maintain the same logic, and include brief explanations of key changes. When pasting your code, keep its formatting intact. Wrapping it in code fences can help preserve indentation and spacing, which reduces the chance of misinterpretation. If your goal is a near one-to-one translation, say that. If you want idiomatic code in the target language, mention that instead. After you've written a clear prompt and pasted your code, send your prompt. Claude will analyze what you provided, recognize the source language you specified, and generate the translated code in the target language, along with any explanations you requested. You should see the output organized in code blocks, often with comments or notes that highlight differences in syntax, data types, or standard library calls between the two languages. If you asked for explanations, expect a concise summary of the conversion approach and any important substitutions, such as how exceptions, async behavior, or imports were handled. That's the complete process. Log into Claude AI, open a new chat, paste the code you want converted with a clear note about the original and target languages, indicate whether you want explanations, and then send your prompt. With a precise request and well-formatted code, Claude can quickly produce readable, reliable conversions that match your needs.